Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can use an image as a background in the text using Photoshop. So here you can see the text background actually is an image. So we will learn how you can do this too. Let's get started. For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now to place an image in the text, let's open Photoshop. I am using Photoshop CC 2017, but this should work on other versions too. Let me create a new blank file. Go to File and Add New. Choose any height or width you want and create. Now let's add some text. Change the font size as required. Also, please make sure you are using bigger fonts so that the image background is visible. For now, I am using any random font. Just centering it. Anyway, now let's add an image to this text. I have this sample image that I want to use. This is from pixabay.com. Anyway, open this on Photoshop. I will simply drag it. Now, while on this image, on your keyboard, press Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C. Basically, we are selecting all image and copying it. Now hover to where we had added our text. Here, move your mouse to the font layer and press Ctrl. You will see small dotted square and click on the layer. So your font will look something like this. Now press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+V. We are basically pasting the earlier image. So you can see there's the image background. You can make the necessary adjustment to the background image too. Make sure this layer is highlighted, and then you can move around the images in the background and make the necessary changes. After making all the changes, you can remove this text layer and as well remove this background and go to File, Save As, and save it in the format you like with any name you want. And it will look something like this. So this is how you can place an image in the text using Photoshop. Thank you very much.